Cubase versus FL Studio. Both powerhouse DAWs, but built for totally different mindsets. If you're torn between them, here's how they actually stack up. So, FL Studio is built for speed. Loop-based, drag-and-drop friendly, built around patterns, ideal for beat makers, electronic producers, and anyone who wants to build fast without diving deep into menus. Cubase is more traditional. Think track-based recording, detailed audio editing, complex MIDI orchestration. It's a favorite for composers, sound designers, and engineers who want precision and structure. FL Studio dominates in MIDI. Its piano roll is legendary. Cubase fights back with deep MIDI tools, scoring, and articulation mapping. It's great for orchestration and complex arrangements. On the audio side, Cubase wins hands down. You get advanced comping, pitch correction, time stretching, multi-track editing. FL can handle audio, but it's not what it's built for. FL gives you a huge set of synths and FX, flex, harmor, gross beat, everything EDM or trap ready. Cubase includes quality instruments like Halion or Groove Agent, plus pro mixing tools, but it leans more acoustic and cinematic. FL gives you lifetime free updates, one-time payment, no subscription, and people love that. Cubase comes in different tiers, but major updates cost extra and it uses licensing systems that some find annoying. So choose FL if you're producing beats, loops, or electronic music and want fast creative freedom. Pick Cubase if you're recording, arranging, or scoring music and need studio-level control and depth. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe if you want more no-fluff DAW comparisons. Using FL or Cubase in your own setup, let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one.